Sal's channel, and today we are going to make some vanilla muffins. And the ingredients we are going to use for this bake is vanilla Easymix, a whisk, 2 tablespoons, 200 ml of water, 125 ml of olive oil, 2 extra large eggs, a greased muffin pan, and a mixing bowl. And that is all we're going to need. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees, and then we are going to take the Easymix and put it into our bowl. Then we are going to add our water and our olive oil and our 2 extra large eggs. And then we're going to whisk it all together. And just make sure you don't over whisk. It's almost done. And then when we are done here, we are going to put it in our greased muffin pan, and then we are going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Just make sure you don't over mix the batter because it will get sticky and will not work as well. Okay, so I think we are almost done. Yeah, see, there's still some muffin mix. We're just gonna mix it all together. Make sure there is no clumps so that it is nice and smooth. And I think this is done. Let's just get all this out of there. Now we are going to take our pan and our 2 spoons, and we are going to take this, okay, and then we are going to put it into the pan. And I think for each cup we're just going to put like 2 scoops. So guys, just make sure each one is equal, because if you don't make it equal, the ones that is fuller won't cook as fast as the other ones that is not as full. And guys, the reason I am using 2 spoons is just so that when I travel to the spot that I'm gonna fill it, that it doesn't drip. Okay, so I'm now done, and so we didn't have enough batter to fill all of them, but that's okay. So now we are going to take this to the oven. Just be careful you don't break yourself. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to put the timer on for 20 minutes. Okay, and we'll see you when they're done. Okay, we're quickly just going to check on the progress of the muffins, and then yeah. And they're looking good, and then we're just going to leave them in for a few more minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so the muffins are done, and we're going to take them out of the oven. Just be careful you don't burn yourself. Okay, we are quickly going to take them out of the oven. They look so good. Okay, so we're just going to let them cool down before we dig in. So we've let them cool down, and now it's time to dig in. Okay. This is so yum. Leave a like and subscribe down below. Bye!